Once you see someone coming that doesn't know the value that they have within them, and then all of a sudden it starts to come out through forging and craftsmanship and other areas of manufacturing as well, it is unbelievable to witness that.
On the outskirts of Chicago, a powerhouse forges and heat treats and machines the metals the U.S. Navy needs. Since 1995, Scot Forge has been supplying parts weighing from a couple pounds to hundreds of thousands of them, with those components finding their way aboard carriers, destroyers, and submarines. They need to add to their ranks because our national defense depends on Scot Forge.
We think about the warfighter. We think about that mom, that son, that daughter, that cousin, the person who's in uniform to protect our freedoms, and that's our focus. We try to put everything else aside and just make sure we're doing what we can as a small part of the industrial base to serve them.
To serve more, to meet the need for a bigger workforce, Scot Forge is receiving a co-investment from BlueForge Alliance in partnership with the U.S. Navy to establish the Scot Center, a new training facility on Scot Forge's Spring Grove, Illinois grounds. Foundational training will move off the shop floor, with equipment currently used for training repurposed to produce more products. Trainees in the Scot Center will use smaller machine tools, allowing for faster cycle times and more task repetition. New employees will get all the skills they need faster, and current employee owners will also have the chance to elevate their careers through upskilling.
To see someone grow and be excited and passionate about the value that they're bringing to the team, to the country, and to continue to serve those that serve us in uniform is a blessing.
Just like in theater, you have the people who work backstage. So I attribute Scot Forge workers to being the backstage handsmen, and it's really cool to see everything literally from the ground up being built. Just remember what your end goal is and why you're doing your job, because it's pretty rewarding.